To activate your Navy Federal debit card, start by calling the phone number provided on the sticker attached to the card or by visiting the Navy Federal website. You can also visit a local branch or use the Navy Federal mobile app to activate your card. When activating your card, you will need to provide your card number, expiration date, and security code, which can be found on the back of the card. You will also need to verify your identity by providing your name, date of birth, and social security number. Once your card is activated, you can set up a personal identification number, also known as a PIN. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid using easily accessible information such as your birthdate or address. After setting up your PIN, you can start using your debit card to make purchases, withdraw cash from ATMs, and pay bills online. Make sure to sign the back of your card to prevent unauthorized use. To use your debit card, simply swipe or insert the card at a payment terminal, enter your PIN, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You can also use your card to make online purchases by entering your card number, expiration date, and security code. To manage your debit card, use the Navy Federal mobile app or website to track your account activity, view your balance, and set up account alerts. You can also use the app to freeze your card if it is lost or stolen, and to order a replacement card. As a best practice, always keep your debit card and PIN secure, and never share your card information with anyone. Regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions, and report any issues to Navy Federal immediately. By following these steps, you can easily activate and use your Navy Federal debit card, and enjoy the convenience and security it provides.